got this. You've got a great first day outfit. Have fun!
Get out.
No, go!
Anyway, look, I was calling you to wish you a very happy.
Alice? Yeah. Don't get mad at me for saying this, but... Oh, but you're not. No, I'm not. And why is that?
But you're not.
No, I'm not.